Here we go. Okay, friends, we're going to come back to our fluency passage from last week, and you'll notice there are some slashes in the passage. Go ahead and point to the very first slash. Remember, if it's one slash, we pause for a second. If it's two slashes, we pause for 2 seconds. And the reason that we want to chunk up our fluency passage is to make sense of what we're reading. Remember, fluency can be measured by your accuracy, your rate, and your prosody. Prosody meaning your expression and how you read the words in the text. So I'm going to model this for you. I'm going to have you read it for me, and then I'll ask you some questions. Does that sound okay? Here we go. I'll read it. You can just follow along with your eyes. Jupiter, the biggest planet in our solar system. You could fit 11 planet Earths side by side across Jupiter, and Jupiter would still be bigger. Jupiter has a big red spot on it called the Great Red Spot. This spot is caused by a big storm of spinning gas. This time, I'm going to have you guys read it to me, and I'm going to hold up a finger for a 1 second pause, 2 fingers for 2 seconds of a pause. We ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
Jupiter, the biggest planet in our solar system. You could fit 11 planet Earths side by side across Jupiter, and Jupiter would still be bigger. Jupiter has a big red spot on it called the Great Red Spot. This spot is caused by a big storm of spinning gas.
Awesome. Let's reread that last sentence together. 3, 2, 1. This spot is caused by a big storm of spinning gas. Now, I chunked this passage in a very specific way so I could ask you some questions about the passage. When you see this passage in the text, it's the same one that we read in the book, but I broke it up because I want to ask you questions based on how we phrase the reading. So here we go. What is the biggest planet in our solar system? Anybody?
Jupiter.
Yeah. How many planet Earths could fit inside? Yeah. 11, yeah. Corey, what is the spot called on Jupiter?
The Great Red Spot.
Yeah, and Chance, what caused that big red spot?
By a big storm of spinning gas.
Awesome job, you guys.